Hi, this is my first YouTube video. I'm super excited. I figured I would do it with this package I got from a fan who is in Japan and said they would send me a package of goodies from there. So I'm super excited to get to open it with all of you. Rip into it. All right. This fan sent this to my P.O. box that I have on my profiles. I can already see some of it. Okay, so I'm assuming it's like chips that are like a hamburger. That's gonna be so fun. What is this? Okay, this looks like a shirt. Oh, cute! I love it. It's a cute little shirt. That's adorable. Okay. This, I think, is ramen because it's shaped like ramen. Yes, it is! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be delicious. I'm excited about that. Is this a tote bag? I love a good tote bag. It's so cute! It's got a little Shiba Inu on it. Oh, it's so cute. I'm definitely gonna be carrying that. What is this? It looks like the packet of something that you put in the water and then you microwave. But it doesn't feel solid. It feels like a liquid, but it's showing solid food. So I'll figure that out. I'll definitely figure that out. This is a fragrance? Wait, I'm confused. Oh, it's a bath salt! I love that. I take a bath salt like every other night to relax my muscles, and it helps so much. This is gonna get used like tonight. More ramen. Wait, this looks like... Oh, it's ramen and it has miso in it. I love me some good miso. That's exciting. Ooh, I think it's candy. I will open these and try these. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's wood. Something in a wood box. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Oh, it's chopsticks and they're so pretty. Look at those. Those are so cute. Can always use a really good pair of chopsticks. What is this? What is this? I don't know if this is food or not. I'm gonna open it. I would use my Google Lens, but I'm filming this on my phone, so. It's chocolate or some type of candy. Ooh, wait, this isn't mochi, is it? It's a lot more, like it seems like it's melting, but those look really good. I'm excited to try those. What is this? Oh, now this is some chocolate. I love chocolate. I was just craving some earlier today. Oh my gosh. Mini chocolate. Yay! Thank you so much for all my goodies from Japan. I'm definitely gonna get some use out of them and some good food. Thank you.